Okay. So similarly, one more sum I'm going to solve on finding the angle between the tangents. So here the question is given. Find the angle between the tangent to the curve x is equals to t square, y is equals to t cube, and z is equals to t raised to 4 at t is equals to 2 and t is equals to 3. So similarly same thing, but here the vector is not given completely in a like equation form. Here it is given as x, y, z. So first I'll make a normal vector. So solution. We know a normal vector, generally the vector is written as r vector is equals to x into I cap, y into j cap plus z into k cap. So normally I said you before also, if the vector is not given in a correct equation form, if it is given in the form of coordinates x, y, z, at that time first we need to write the r vector, okay, general r vector, that is x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Now put the respective values of x, y and z. What is the value of x here? T square into I cap. Y value is t cube into j cap. Z value is t raised to 4 into k cap. This is your r vector. Now the procedure is same. First I'll differentiate this, that is dr by dt, that is d by dt of t square into I cap plus d by dt of t cube into j cap plus d by dt of t raised to 4 into k cap. So differentiation of t raised to any number is, write the number first, 2, t raised to subtract 1 from it, I cap plus t cube, same thing, write the number first, 3, subtract 1 from it, 3 minus 1, j cap, same thing, 4 t raised to 4 minus 1 into k cap. So 2t into I cap plus 3 into t raised to 3 minus 1 is 2 into j cap, 4t, 4 minus 1 is 3 into k cap. This is your dr by dt, which I'll consider as capital T vector. Now there are two separate values of t is given, t is equals to 2 and t is equals to 3. So first I'll take at t is equals to 2. So normally t vector, I'll whatever I've considered, I'll write it down. 2t into I cap, 3t square into j cap, 4t cube into k cap. Now put the value of t2 here. So you get 2 into I cap, 3 into t square, 2 square into j cap, 4 into 2 cube into k cap. 2 2s are 4 I cap plus 3 into 2 square is 4 j cap plus 4 into 2 cube is 8 k cap. 4 into I cap plus 4 3s are 12 into j cap plus 8 4s are 36. Sorry, 32 into k cap. This I'll consider as t1 vector. Okay. Next, at t is equals to 3. Next value is t is equals to 3. So similarly, first I'll take the t vector, the general t vector. I'll write it down. 2t into I cap, 3t square into j cap, 4t cube into k cap. So here I'll put the value t is equals to 3 everywhere. 2 into 3 into I cap, 3 square into j cap, 3 cube into k cap. So you get 6 into I cap, 3 square is 9 into j cap, 3 cube is 27 into k cap. So finally you get 6 into I cap, 9 3s are 27 into j cap, 27 into 4 108 into k cap. So this I'll consider as another vector t2. So I've got t1 and t2. Now put the formula for cos theta and then find the angle. So formula for cos theta is equals to, that is angle is t1 vector dot t2 vector divided by magnitude of t1 and magnitude of t2. So what is the t1 vector we got? That is 4i cap plus 12j cap plus 32k cap. Dot product of t2 vector we got 6i cap plus 27j cap plus 108 into k cap. Whole divided by magnitude of t1. How we find? Square root of coefficients of I, j, k is here. Square of them, 4 square plus 12 square plus 32 square. Similarly, t2 magnitude is coefficients of this square, that is 6 square plus 27 square plus 108 the whole square. So finally you get, find the dot product, 4 into 6 plus 12 into 27 plus 32 into 108 divided by square root of, you get 4 square, that is 4 square, 12 square and all you have. So 4 square is nothing but 16, 12 square is 144 and 32 square you get 1024. 6 square is 36, 27 square is 729 and 108 square is 11,664. So finally 6 fours are, if you directly, I'll write the answer, if you multiply this and add them up in the calci, you will get 3804 divided by the addition of this is 1184, square root of addition of this is 12,429. This is your cos theta. If you want, you can further simplify or keep it as it is. Thank you.